Welcome to Science and Time. In our everyday life, we apply a lot of forces, from turning a key to walking, but have you ever wondered that what's the relation between the amount of force applied and the mass of the object, or how quick the object accelerates? If yes, then continue watching the video till the end. Let's say you're playing soccer and you kick a ball with some force F. What happens is that ball moves and has some acceleration in the same direction. From this experiment, we can say that the acceleration of an object is directly proportional to the force applied. To understand it better, let's understand Newton's second law, which states that the acceleration of an object depends on the mass of the object and the amount of force applied, which can be described mathematically as force is equal to mass into acceleration. To find acceleration, move it into acceleration is equal to force over mass form. Moving back to our previous example, let's replace a soccer ball with a 10 times heavier ball. Let's assume same amount of force is applied. So using the formula, if we calculate the acceleration, the amount of acceleration generated in the ball will be 10 times less than the soccer ball. Here you can see how with increase in weight, the acceleration decreases and approaches zero at infinity. That's how we can use Newton's second law to calculate acceleration or the force applied. We hope that by now Newton's second law is very clear to you. If you like the video, then please like and share, and also subscribe to our channel so that you can stay connected for the future science videos.